So if you've been thinking about adding a meal service into your weekly routine, but you're not quite sure whether you want something to cook or just something quick to heat up, this video should make that choice a whole lot easier. Today, I'll be comparing two of the most popular options built around healthy eating, Green Chef and Daily Harvest. One gives you full meal kits with certified organic ingredients and step-by-step recipes, while the other is all about ready in minutes, plant-based meals straight from your freezer. Let's jump in. So with Green Chef, you're not just getting ingredients in a box. It's more like a whole system designed around clean eating. Everything they send is USDA-certified organic, which means no GMOs, no synthetic pesticides, and no sketchy additives slipping through. A lot of the meal kits throw around the word organic, but Green Chef actually backs it up with proper certification on every box. They also build sustainability into the whole experience. The packaging is carbon neutral. They offset 100% of the plastic they use, and the kits are portioned to cut down food waste by up to 45% compared to grocery shopping. Basically, it's all designed to be cleaner on your plate and lighter on the planet. Now, what really stands out is how the service helps you learn as you go. You're not just heating things up, you're actually cooking full meals with real ingredients and picking up some kitchen confidence along the way. So it's still convenient, but with a bit more depth if you've been wanting to eat better without making everything from scratch. Once you're signed up, Green Chef makes it easy to tailor your weekly box to your schedule. You just choose how many people you're cooking for, 2, 4, or 6, and how many meals you want. From there, it's all customizable. You can swap meals, mix diets, or double up on your favorites with over 80 options each week. It's flexible enough for solo cooking or just feeding a full house. Now, when your box arrives, everything is pre-measured, color-coded, and packed cold. Most meals take about 30 minutes, and since veggies and sauces come prepped, you can focus on the actual cooking. And if life gets busy, you can skip, pause, or cancel. Just make changes about a week ahead. So even though it is a subscription, it does work around your routine. Now, as far as plans go, Green Chef goes beyond the basics. Every option is designed by dietitians to support real goals. Keto meals are grain-free and low-carb, paleo cuts out grains and dairy, and high-protein options land around 30 grams per serving. Plant-based meals are full of variety. Think tofu tacos or lentil bolognese, and they've even added a gut and brain health plan with fiber and fermented foods. And there's a certified gluten-free plan, a Mediterranean plan for balanced eating, and even single-serve kits for anyone cooking solo. And it's not just the meals. Green Chef actually builds in a few extras that make the whole experience a bit more supportive, especially if you're trying to stay consistent with your health goals. And one of the most useful perks is a free one-on-one session with a registered dietitian. It's included with your subscription, and they can help fine-tune your plan or give advice based on whatever you're working towards. And that kind of personal support isn't something you see often in meal kits. Now, on the tech side, the app is clean and simple. You can adjust your plan, swap meals, or pause deliveries right from your phone. So even if your week gets a little hectic, it's easy to stay in control. And when you are browsing meals, everything includes a full ingredient list and nutritional breakdown verified by the FDA. And that's especially helpful if you are watching macros or dealing with allergies. So the value here isn't just in the food, it's in how the service helps you stay on track without needing to do a ton of extra planning. Now, when it comes to cost, Green Chef is definitely positioned as more of a premium option. Depending on the size of your order, meals typically run between $14 and $16 per serving. A box with 2 meals for 2 people will land closer to $16 per serving, while larger plans like 4 meals for 4 people bring that down to around $14. A flat shipping fee of about $10 to $11 per box, which covers their eco-friendly packaging and the insulated delivery. And if you add premium proteins or specialty meals, those can bump up the price just a bit more. Now, that said, Green Chef regularly runs new customer promotions like 50% off your first box and 20% off for the next few. Though those discounts usually don't apply to extras. And if you do want to give Green Chef or Daily Harvest a try, then go ahead and check out the affiliate links in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and we might earn a small commission, which helps out the channel. And sometimes we do have special deals that you wouldn't get if you went directly through their website. Now, while Green Chef leans into fresh, made from scratch cooking, Daily Harvest goes in a totally different direction. Everything they offer is frozen, plant-based, and ready in minutes. But here's the twist. They actually treat freezing as a feature, not a compromise. By freezing ingredients right after harvest, they lock in peak flavor and nutrients instead of letting things slowly break down in transit or on store shelves. And While organic sourcing is part of what they do, their bigger mission focuses on regenerative agriculture. So it's less about avoiding harm and more about actively improving the land. And that includes crop rotation, low-till farming, and helping smaller farms shift towards regenerative practices long term. They're even leading some of their own initiatives like the Almond Project in California, which does support healthier soil systems for nut farming, and across their entire menu, they pull from over 45 different types of plants, which does boost biodiversity and keeps things nutritionally diverse, something a lot of traditional food systems don't prioritize. So while it might seem simple, frozen meals in a cup or a bowl, there's a lot of thought behind how everything's grown, sourced, and preserved. Daily Harvest skips the whole weekly menu model and lets you build your own box from scratch. You pick the items, smoothies, harvest bowls, oat bowls, snacks, and mix and match however it fits your week. There are no fixed plans, no delivery windows to keep track of. Everything shows up frozen, packed with dry ice, and ready for the freezer. And since it's all pre-prepped and portioned, you're just heating, blending, or mixing. Most items take 5 minutes or less, which makes them perfect for fast breakfasts or low-effort lunches. Smoothies, you just need a quick blend with your liquid of choice. Bowls go from freezer to microwave or stovetop, and since everything's frozen, there is no pressure to eat it right away. Instead of organizing meals by strict diets like keto or paleo, Daily Harvest sorts everything into collections: smoothies, bowls, flatbreads, and snacks, but everything still follows the same clean formula: plant-based, gluten-free, dairy-free, and no refined sugars or gums. Smoothies are the standout, made with whole produce, seeds, and sometimes up to 20 grams of protein. Harvest bowls are the go-to for lunch or dinner. They've also got oat bowls, forager bowls, and snack bites you can grab straight from the freezer. And if you are looking for a reset, there's a detox box with 12 light nutrient-packed items. And if you're on a GLP-1 meds, there's a new companion collection with smaller protein-rich meals designed to be more filling. So while it is less structured than a typical meal plan, the variety still supports goals like digestion, energy, or just eating more plants without any of the prep work. Daily Harvest also adds a few helpful extras, especially if you are using this as part of a longer-term health routine. One standout is that many of their meals are HSA and FSA eligible, so if you've got a health savings account, you can actually use those pre-tax dollars to cover your orders, which can cut your real cost by 20 to 30%, depending on your tax rate. Now, they've also built out a solid gifting option. You can send a digital card or even a starter box that includes a reusable smoothie cup, great for housewarmings or wellness-minded friends. And just like Green Chef, everything's managed through a mobile app. It's simple, clean, and lets you update your box or pause deliveries without needing a desktop. The whole experience keeps with their less is more approach, and it just works. Pricing for Daily Harvest is a bit more flexible than a traditional meal kit. You're not locked into servings per week. You just build your box with a minimum of 9 items, and the more you add, the lower your per item cost goes. Smaller items like smoothies, bites, and oat bowls typically run at around $7 to $8, while heartier options like harvest bowls and flatbreads are closer to $9. It's on the premium end for frozen meals, but you're paying for organic ingredients and serious convenience. Shipping is free once you meet the box minimum, and you can pause or cancel anytime, so it is easy to test out or rotate in during busier weeks. Ultimately, Daily Harvest is all about simplicity. You're not cooking full dinners like with Green Chef, but if you want fast plant-based meals with minimal effort, it does fit the bill really well. So after comparing both services, it's pretty clear they're built for 2 different types of routines. Green Chef is more of a full dinner solution. You're actually cooking, you're using certified organic ingredients, and following a plan that lines up with your health goals. It's a great fit if you like being hands-on in the kitchen, or you want a little structure to help you stick with something like keto, gluten-free, or plant-based eating. Daily Harvest, on the other hand, is all about speed and simplicity. You're heating, blending, or mixing, and everything is ready in minutes. It's ideal for breakfast, lunch, or just keeping your freezer stocked with healthy options that don't take much thought. But if your main goal is to eat better at dinner time without sacrificing ingredient quality, Green Chef is likely the better long-term value. It gives you more variety, more control, and helps you build real cooking habits that actually stick. That said, both are solid at what they do. It just comes down to whether you want to cook or keep it nice and quick. And that wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, then please like and subscribe to see more videos just like this. And as I mentioned earlier, check the links below for the best deals available right now. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.